Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and of course guys, we will be checking it out together right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other, and everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so this is boom 1000 on 5-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. This started a trend, an uptrend right from this support zone, and you can see it kept on going up, broke out above this resistance zone around here, and of course it has gotten to a new resistance zone. Okay, if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. So this is still buying at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time, in case it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so the next asset is boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is boom 500, and this had been on uptrend for a very long time. Got to this region, had a pullback, but went back up to break out from there, and of course it has got into a new resistance zone, and of course it broke out above that, and of course it is heading towards another resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on downtrend, so we expect this to sell more. Okay, most especially once it breaks out below this particular support zone. Okay, so this is very important, and of course guys, this is still it should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is crash 1000. Let's do it together. This is crash 1000. It had been on uptrend earlier, and of course it got to this region, was unable to go above that, played around there for a while, but immediately it broke out below it, started selling, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is crash 500. Let's check it out together. This is crash 500. It actually went on uptrend, got to this region, and came down again, and it got to this particular level, was unable to go below that, so it went back on uptrend, and of course it is trying out this resistance zone again. If it breaks out above it, to keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying until it is unable to break out from there, and of course that is when it's going to sell. So we expect it to sell any moment from now. Okay, next asset is going to be volatility 75. Volatility 75 went on uptrend, and of course got to the resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, so it went back on downtrend, and of course it came to an end at this particular spot. You can if you should notice, it's respected it around there, and it is also respecting its right from there, so it has started an uptrend right from there. So this is buying at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.